Welcome to this review. Today I'll be doing a detailed review of GanttPRO, a robust project management tool that's designed to streamline project planning and task management using Gantt charts. Is GanttPRO the best Gantt chart software? If you're managing complex projects with multiple tasks, dependencies, and team members, it might be the tool you're looking for. I'll be walking you through what GanttPRO is used for, its main features, pricing, pros and cons. And by the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of whether GanttPRO is the right fit for your project management needs or not. Let's get started. GanttPRO is primarily a Gantt chart software that enables users to plan, schedule, and manage projects efficiently. It is ideal for teams and individuals who need a visual representation of their project timeline and progress. Whether you're overseeing a software development project, you're coordinating a marketing campaign, or managing a construction project, GanttPRO provides the tools necessary to keep everything on track. It allows you to break down your projects into tasks, set deadlines, assign resources, and monitor the progress in real time. Now let's talk about the main features. Let's explore some of the key features that make GanttPRO stand out. Intuitive Gantt charts. The core feature of GanttPRO is its Gantt chart functionality. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to create and adjust tasks and timelines with drag and drop ease. You can also set task dependencies, which are crucial for complex projects. Task management. GanttPRO offers comprehensive task management capabilities. You can create subtasks, assign tasks to team members, you can set priorities, and track progress. The software also supports task comments and attachments, making it easier to collaborate within the team. Resource management. The platform includes tools for resource management, allowing you to assign resources to tasks and monitor their workload. This helps in preventing over-allocation and ensures that your team members aren't stretched too thin. Time tracking. GanttPRO features built-in time tracking, enabling you to keep an eye on how much time is being spent on each task. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your project stays on schedule and within budget. Collaborative tools. Collaboration is a breeze with GanttPRO's suite of tools. Team members can leave comments on tasks, attach files, and receive notifications. This helps in maintaining clear communication and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Templates and export options. GanttPRO offers a variety of templates to get your project up and running quickly. Additionally, you can export your Gantt charts and project plans in formats like PDF, PNG, and Excel, making it easy to share your plans with stakeholders. Now let's talk about the pricing. GanttPRO offers several pricing plans catering to both individual users and teams, and you can see currently on screen there's a basic plan, there's a pro plan, a business plan, and an enterprise plan. And here's what the plan looks like with an amount per user per month. Now this is an annual billing. If you want to do it monthly, it's on a different level. So it's kind of cheaper to do it annually because you save up to 20%. But of course, there is a 14-day free trial available for users to test out the platform before committing to a subscription. What are the pros and cons of using GanttPRO? First, we talk about the pros. Affordability. The pricing is competitive, especially considering the range of features offered. The individual and teams plans are reasonably priced, making it accessible to small businesses and freelancers. Customizable templates. The availability of various templates allows users to quickly start projects without building from scratch. Effective collaboration tools. The platform supports team collaboration with real-time updates, comments, and file sharing, enhancing teamwork and communication. Integrations. GanttPRO integrates with popular tools such as Jira, Trello, Slack, and Google Drive, which enhances its functionality and makes it easier to incorporate into your existing workflow. Now, what about the cons? Limited advanced features. While GanttPRO is feature-rich, it may lack some of the advanced functionalities found in more complex project management tools such as advanced reporting and analytics. Integration limitations. Although GanttPRO does offer integrations with popular tools, it may not support as many third-party apps as some of its competitors. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basic functionalities are easy to grasp, some of the more advanced features may require time and effort to master. Is GanttPRO a good fit? GanttPRO is a solid project management tool that shines in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized teams and individuals who need a straightforward yet powerful platform for managing projects through Gantt charts. The interface is user-friendly, the pricing is competitive, and the range of features is comprehensive enough to handle most project management needs. However, if your project management requires more advanced functionalities such as in-depth analytics, extensive integrations, or highly sophisticated resource management, you may find GanttPRO somewhat limited as to what it can do. But ultimately, GanttPRO is a great choice for those who prioritize ease of use, affordability, and effective project visualization. If these factors align with your needs, then GanttPRO is definitely worth considering. If you're looking to try other alternatives aside from GanttPRO, you may try Microsoft Project, Asana, or Monday.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.